Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today I'm here to showcase some of our brand new inventory. Behind me right now, we've got a Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless, powered by twin Mercury 225 horsepower 4-strokes. I love driving this boat, and I want to show it to you even more. Let me show you around. One of the unique things about the 27 Dauntless, it's one of the few models that is available in both a single and a twin engine variety. Now, the twin engine is more than sufficient, but when you put twin engines on this boat, you get a really quick hole shot, and when you hit those throttles, you better hold on. On the rear deck right here, casting platform, state-of-the-art fold-up seat, fit everybody nice and comfortably in the back of the boat. Got a massive live well over here, of course, and this 27 is equipped with a dive door, swim door, whatever you want to call it. Big hit amongst everybody. Very comfortable helm station here, and one of the things I am going to want to point out is the hard top on this boat. Really nice, rich upgrade. Down below, obviously, you're going to have a massive head. Up here, what I like to call is the king or queen's throne. Whether you're the king of the castle or the queen of the kingdom, this is where you'll be spending most of your time. Of course, it is going to serve a purpose. Down here, room for a family of 4 if needed. I'm kidding, of course, but seriously, you could fit quite a few fishing rods and dive tanks down there. Not 1, but 2. Forward-facing seats up here on the bow. Guys, the clock is ticking. Don't miss out. Summertime is here at MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I would love nothing more than to get you and your family on the next dream boat of yours. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis. Come on down and let's get out on the water. And until next time, I'm signing off. How much do we believe in Boston Whalers here at MarineMax? Why don't you ask TJ Griner, our business manager, who just purchased a new Boston Whaler himself. Isn't that right, TJ?
Whaler's the way to go.
There you go, folks.